Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to create or enable a guest account in Windows 10. Type CMD in Windows search bar. Right-click Run as administrator. Type NetSpace, user space, visitor space, /add space, /active colon yes. Type NetSpace, user space, visitor space, star. Type password for user visitor. Type NetSpace, local group space, users space, visitor space, /delete. Type NetSpace, local group space, guest space, visitor space, /add. Guest user visitor successfully created. Type exit from command prompt. Thanks for watching. I hope this video tutorial helps to solve the problem. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you next video.